Hello everybody and welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha. If this is your very first time coming to the channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that thumbnail. I hope that you stick around for a while. I am a mother, a wife, and I started this channel as a way to document our journey to debt freedom, financial independence, and building generational wealth. If any of that interests you, along with managing money, budgeting, saving, earning, and getting rid of debt, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when to come back around. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the real MVP and I appreciate you so very much. On my last debt update, we ended with a total balance of all the loans of $14,614. So what I'm going to do is go over the ending balance of each of the loans. Then I'm going to review the payments that we've made since the last update. I'm also going to do some shading in on the debt-free tracker. And then we're going to see if the debt-free date, projected debt-free date is going to be updated. So that's how the video is going to go today, hopefully to make it a lot more smoother and less time, because I do appreciate you guys' time. Okay, so again, the debt-free projected date on this website is July 2022, and the balance of all the loans is showing as $14,614. That's how we ended in October. All right, and since then, we have made 8 payments towards loan 824 and a small payment towards loan 827. So 824 had an ending balance last month of $10.95 and 75 cents, and you can see the balances on the other individual loans in this group. $19.62.36 is the balance on loan 827, and that is the loan we are attacking next. And we are projected to have this loan paid off in full by December 25th. So that when we start January 2021, we'll have 3 loans to attack, and we'll continue to throw as many snowballs as we can to get those done by the spring. That's what we want to do. Okay, now I'm going to update the payments on loan 824 and 827, but just a quick thing. The payoff month, according to undebt.it, for loan 824 is December 2020, but we've already paid loan 824 in full, you guys. I'm so excited about that. Loan 827 has a projected payoff month of March 2021. And you guys, that is not accurate because we are going to pay off that at the end of December. So just keep that in mind as I go ahead and update the payments. Loan 824 is now updated and has a $0 balance, you guys. Woo, woo. I'm so excited. So 824 is paid off. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to update loan 827. We did make a small payment of $98.37. Save transaction. Boom. All right. So we have completely paid off loan 824, and we put a $98.37 payment towards loan 827. Now let's head back to the dashboard to view our updates. Okay. So you can see on the account summary page, 823 and 824 are no longer there. We paid 823 in September. Again, if you haven't seen that update, I'll link it in the cards and you can go ahead and back and watch it if you want. It's up to you. 824 is paid off as of November 20th of 2020, and 827 will be paid off as of December 25th, 2020. All right, now it's time to move on to our debt projected date. So you see that loan 827 is now projected to be paid off by February 2021. And again, you guys, it will be paid off in December. All right. And according to undebt.it, our debt-free date is still projected at July 2022, but our balance is now $13,420. And the actual balance is $13,420.10. I think they just leave off the cents to make it easier, but that's our current balance as of November 20th. And I hope you guys stay tuned for the shading portion of the debt tracker. Okay, so this is the debt-free land tracker that I printed out from their website. And this balance is what we ended with last month in October, $14,614.22. That's a combination of all of the loans that we have remaining. So I'm going to shade in, starting from here. Each square is worth $140. So let's calculate what we've paid. I have a little sticky note on the side here. I'm going to do a quick calculation so I know how many squares I get to shade in today. All right, we've paid a total of $1,194.12. So we're going to shade in 8 of the squares, and that equals to $1,120. And next time, I know I'll be able to shade in a little more. Yay! All right, you guys, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares, which is 1,000. I forgot already, guys, because I'm so excited. 1,120. Okay, and we're going to shade in more next month. I'm so excited about that. All right, now I'm going to move on to the debt-free tracker for loan 827 next. Okay, this is the debt tracker for loan 827. All right, and that balance started at $1,962.36, and each of the squares is worth $20. And so far, we've paid off $98.37 in this month towards that loan. So we're going to shade in 4 squares because that's the closest to $98. And let's get started, you guys. There we have it, 4 squares shaded in for a total of $80 worth, and we'll be able to shade in more at the end of this month, and you'll see the update next month in December. All right, so now that I have updated the tracker, we did our shading in, I want to show you guys this portion in Excel. So loan token 823 is paid off. I did show you guys that in my last update. And loan 824 is now paid in full. I just need to shade in this little portion here at the bottom in column E, row 10, that it will show that 824 is paid off also. And also, if you go a little bit further, if you look down here, Loan 827 has a balance of $1,863.99, and we have 95% left to pay off, and that 95% will be zero by the end of December again. Okay, so that is the video, you guys. I'm going to end it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to give me a like. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys in next month debt update to end the year strong. Have a great day, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.